Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times last week, so that is where these green lines here are coming from. And as of right now, I'm not going to say the entire chart is ruined, but it's definitely sitting at certainly a must-hold level. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 8.5 cents was an area of support, but now that the price is down below it, if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, 8.5 is now going to be that initial level that the price will first need to fight through. But I think the more pressing matter as far as the technical chart is concerned has everything to do with this green line down here at 7.5 cents, and that is to give credit where credit's due. It's doing a great job of holding it as support, so there's no doubt about it. It's good to see that it is holding that support, but this is definitely an extremely important level that you want to see hold as support, because if the price were to do this, and I'm not saying it will, because like I said, so far the price is holding, but if it were to go down here and then stay down there and then kind of drift downwards and then start to stabilize out down around this area of the chart, well, at that point in time, from a very literal perspective, what would you have? You would literally have the price right back inside of that range where it was before the big movement, from back on the 7th occurred. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of power, true strength, or anything like that. But as of right now, the price does still have the opportunity to make some progress, meaning if the price continues to go sideways here and then work its way back upwards, well, at least at that point in time, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there, and if you picture those as stair steps, well, the overall stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. So that's what you want to see, and that is why that 7.5 cent is very important. So yeah, today definitely not a good day at all, a very rough day, but it's not like it was a total train wreck because the price is still managing to stay above 7.5 cents. So let's see if the price can maintain that area or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.